What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, baby. And we back up in this thing with another one. But before we get into this video, make sure you go ahead and show your boy Q the Flu some love. Join that Flu gang. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? And make sure when the video over, you know what I'm saying, or whatever you feel, you add in a comment, man. You know we like to hear, you know, the Flu gang voice. Flu gang nation out here. Let's get it. Yo, so if you haven't, you know, noticed the thumbnail or whatever, which I'm pretty sure you have, we here today to talk about this young LeBron diamond turf thing, you know what I'm saying, Deion Sanders Primetime joints. So, I mean, a lot of people may remember these, you know, like when he's doing the LeBron Watch series throughout the course of the year, you know what I'm saying, dropping like dope fire LeBron 15s. You know, you had that orange box, you know, joint, the Griffey joint, you know what I'm saying? He even did one for the OG Air Max 95s and that gray and green colorway, man. Just a lot of dope fire LeBron 15s. I'm a Chicago guy. You already know we ain't really rocking with LeBron like that. You know what I'm saying? You know, we still, if it wasn't for LeBron, you know, we would have a championship. D-Rose and that Bulls team would have a championship. But we ain't gonna get into that tangent. That's neither here nor there. I'm not the biggest LeBron fan, but every now and again I do like some of his shoes. I like the LeBron 8s, the LeBron 9s. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of like the 14s, man. And then we back at it with these 15 guys, which I do own the Ghost colorway, the first colorway they dropped. I wore those things like all the time, super comfortable. I thought it was just a super dope shoe, especially if you know how to rock it. You already know it's Red Nation, you know, Red Shoe Gang around here. You know what I'm saying? So I saw these joints pop up. We had to have them. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to, you know, House of Hoops. We were able to cop these from there. But let's get into a little bit of the shoe. You know, we got that red, you know, battle knit, you know, material across the upper. You know what I'm saying? Red shoelaces. You know what I'm saying? They painted the midsoles, you know, kind of black. Got the white air bubbles whited out over there, you know what I'm saying? But the highlight of this shoe, you got that gold cage and that black strap going around the forefront, which is reminiscent of the diamond turf tools, you know, the red diamond turf tools. You know what I'm saying? You got that OG, you know, flag, field goal sign, you know, right up here at the top. Deion Sanders showing love, you know what I'm saying? The prime time out here. And then we got these plush, you know, leather tabs. You know what I'm saying, up here. This is really dope, man. The quality on at least the strap is, you know, pretty supreme. Nike Air on the back. You know, really simple colorway, but just the right colorway, man. Just fire. One thing that I definitely liked about these guys, you see in those detailed views, is the color red on these joints. What exactly? I mean, like, you know how Nike can do it. You can get like a weird, like, red, you know, that they put on their shoes every now and again. But this is like the first time in a while that I feel like we've actually gotten a true red on a sneaker. And I just thought that was really, really, really dope. Of course, you got the gold lace tips right here. I'm Nike trying to give you a little quality for the $200 price tag they priced on these joints. You got the LeBron sign on the inside of the strap. You know, like so. But I mean, that's pretty much it. I think it's a dope sneaker. You know, something that I'm okay. You know, I'm happy I got in my collection. You know what I'm saying? Resale prices on these joints ain't too crazy. So if you missed out on these did kind of quick strike at like the House of Hoops locations across the nation. You know what I'm saying? But not even all of them. But if you did kind of miss out on these, you know, it's probably about $20, $40 over retail. I suggest you go ahead and cop these joints right here. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into that fire on feet. Gang.
Started up my day like this. Chase the money, chase the money, chase the money. Started up my day like this. Thick clothes in my coupe today.
with all the stalkers, man. Keep this in my motherfucking pocket, nigga. Matter of fact, I shouldn't even say this, man. Hey, look, man, like I say, man. You know, young and flexible motherfucking all the time, nigga. I ain't shit changed but the motherfucking address, nigga. Yeah, scatter. Sauce, baby.
Boy, you can keep that, you ain't smoking on no dope. You ain't tryna spit shit, you ain't holding on no rolls. In Hawaii with the gang, and I'm hollering out on folks. Walked up at LV, you know I gotta pull out them O's. Coming 0-0, coming 0-0, more. 50K's no PO or no piss test, no. And the phone driving real fast, they thinking that I'm on cold. You can set the difficulties, either way I am in my mode. No beach get set wet, chop stuck dirt like wet tech. Acting like you knee deep, you gon' fuck around and get your fucking neck wet. Still spinning cheese, no major comeback for a setback. Smack a nigga with a box of dots, tell a fuck nigga to connect that. I don't get my hands dirty, but bitch I'm in it like a wetback. Winning both 4 PTs through the cash on the floor, check that. All this gas that I'm throwing in the club, little niggas tryna match that. I ain't no hacking ass nigga, girl, I ain't tryna crack that. Sauce, baby. Boy, you can keep that, you ain't smoking on no dope. You ain't tryna spit shit, you ain't holding on no rolls. In Hawaii with the gang, and I'm hollering out on folks. Walked up at LV, you know I gotta pull out them O's. Coming 0-0, coming 0-0, more.
I hope you enjoyed that on feet. Dope shoe again. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I think that dope shoe, one of the better LeBron 15s you'll find. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, a lot of people don't, you know, seem to feel the LeBron 15s. It's all good. Rock what you like, wear what you like. You know how we do around here, Flu Gang TV. That's it for the video. You already know what's coming. It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know what's rocking. Gang, 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 gang.